Mena no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 20. Visa ga irimasu. Need, require a visa. Shirabimasu, check, investigate. Naoshimasu, repair, correct. Shorishimasu, repair. Denwashimasu, phone call. Buku, I, informal use by men. Kimi, you, informal use by men. Kun, Mr., informal of san, used for men. Un, yes, informal. Un, no, informal. Sarariman, office worker. Kotoba, word, language. Bukka, commodity, prices. Kimono, traditional Japanese attire. Bisa, visa. Hajime, the beginning. Oware, the end. Kochi, this way, this place, informal. Soche, that way, that place, informal. Achi, that way over there, that place over there, informal. Doche, which one, which way, where, informal. Kono aida, the other day. Minade, altogether. Kedo, but, informal. Kone e kairo no, are you going back to your country? Do suro no, what will you do? Do shio kana, what shall I do? Yokatara, if you like. Iro iro, various. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. Mata ne!